Well, today we're going to be cleaning our Breville Espresso machine. As you can see, it's blinking light. One solid light means descale. Blinking light means cleaning. So as you can see, it needs a good cleaning. So what we're going to do is, well, we take the portafilter and we put the 1 cup basket inside like that. We take the rubber disc, place that in here. And then we take these tablets, we ordered them online. We place it in here. And then we put it, lock it in place. Put our cup underneath. Well, we'll continue on here. We'll make sure this is full of water. And then we turn it off. And then we hit the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons at the same time as the power button. All 3 buttons at the same time. Can't do that while holding my camera, but I'll be right back. Well, you hold those 3 buttons down for 10 seconds and the whole cleaning cycle will start. It'll force water into the portafilter and then the rubber pushes it back, so it's backwashing. It'll go back and forth until the cycle is completely finished. There, the cycle has started. It's pushing water into the portafilter, pressure's right up. Let's go with the pressure and some of that tablet will dissolve and get forced back up into the machine and cleaning it. This is going to go on for about 5 minutes and you get 3 beeps telling you that it's over. Well, there you go. We just had the 3 beeps. Take this off of here. We open this up and if there's anything left of that tablet, we'll run it through the cycle all over again. But it looks like, well, cleaned that up pretty good. There's a lot of stuff I got out of there. That's why we use the tablets to clean it out, I guess. Well, there you go. Hopefully we're able to clean your machine. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.